Welcome to our inventory management screen. At the top, you'll find an advanced filtering tool designed to help you quickly locate parts. You can search by item description, item name, item code, OEM number, car make, model, and year. Filters also include brand name, part demand status, categorized as high, medium, accepted, low, and dead stock, warehouse location if your workshop has multiple sites, part condition, new or used, and even the shelf location within each warehouse. Below, you'll see the parts listing section. This view provides detailed information, including the part name, code, brand, stock locations, shelf location, and part classification. An additional advanced feature allows you to map vehicles in your market to the items in your inventory, providing a comprehensive database of all spare parts in stock. You can also use the Transfer Items feature for efficient inventory management across multiple warehouses. Simply select the items you want to transfer, choose the source location and the destination, and specify the quantity to be moved. Once approved, each transfer is recorded and can be easily tracked through the Transfer Items module, ensuring a smooth and organized process for all inventory transactions.